Hello everyone, I'm Shahad. Welcome back
to my channel.
Now you may have noticed something new around here. Wait, let me zoom you out. Peep, peep, peep. Hi James Charles. Okay, so we have just moved to a new house and I'm like, you know, prepping stuff. So Valentine's Day, love day, yes day, we day. Valentine's Day is in like probably like a few days now. It's coming. So I wanted to like create something like so cute, and for me personally, I
hate
the color red, which is fine. That's fine. That's me. I just don't like it. And Valentine's Day like has to be red. So like I saw this picture from Mitchell. I don't know how you're supposed to say his name, but anyway. I love the idea. I love the liner idea thingy, and it doesn't have that much red in it. And I was like, yes, sir.
You like it.
So I love the concept, love the idea. I love that there's a lot of reds. That's because I don't like it. You know, you don't have to, you know. So we create this look. It's very simple. It's super easy. I think so. Now first, for the face, let's get ready. I am gonna use, for foundation, I'm gonna dip in the, do I want to use this? I have not been enjoying this, to be honest. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna mix in a little bit of the Cover FX custom enhanced drops. And what is that, if I may say, just to give like our face like this glowy and love look, to spice things up. So I'm gonna mix that in and apply it to the face. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna apply that and then apply it on top of the Cover FX, because I don't have this like kind of like, you know, the plate thingy where you can mix your foundations and stuff. I don't have that, which is fine. I think mixing it first and then applying it to your face would have been the best idea, because I don't want to be like the Tin Man. But I just did it and I don't care. Okay. Also, I put a lot of gel on my hair and it somehow still has like these kind of like thingies out. What is this face? Like, I know I look like the Tin Man right now, but it gets better, trust me. And for concealer, I'm just gonna dip in the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. The bridge of the nose later. And for powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty powder. This is in the shade Butter. And of course, I'm using my favorite foundation brush, the Wet n Wild P55 brush. I'm popping these up because I don't have a table in front of me. And as I told you, like, under the eyes first. And to warm up face and do a little bit of contour and bronzing, I'm gonna use my Hoola Benefit bronzer. That's my favorite. That's my favorite. I'm using my new Morphe fluffy brush. Ooh, this is so soft. Ooh, I am loving this brush. I don't know why I'm happy, but this is like very nice. All the way to the neck, even though I don't bring any foundation to my neck. I don't care what the occasion is. I don't like foundation on my neck. Period. And I'm just gonna bit of, you know, contour the face here. Do I look skinny? Okay, and as usual, I'm gonna do my brows and one eye off camera, and then I'll be right back to show you and get started with the tutorial. Okay, see you then. Okay guys, and I'm back, and I just did this eye. I don't know if you can see, but I did like an ombre liner. Can you see that? I did that. Well, you know, kind of. I'm gonna, okay. It was a little bit challenging for the liner to create this ombre look and find the correct shades, if you know what I mean. Now I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise base. This is in the shade 2. I'm gonna prep my eyes, and as you can see, for my brows, I just wanted them to look a little bit more fluffy and not just like, you know, like bold and filled in. I just filled in the gaps a little bit and made it more like fluffy, you know, just as the model and my lightning is freaking. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the base now. Go under the brow. And I'm packing the base on the lid. Now, when you are doing the base, because I have been getting so many comments. For this particular base, you are not supposed to set it like with a powder or like with any type of shade. You just go in straight away with the shade you're working with. This is the type of base this is, and I'm tapping it in just so I don't, you know, just swipe it through the lid, also so you can just have like a sticky base. I'm gonna dip it in my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Now, there is like nothing much to use or do. I just like to use 2 shades only. First shade I'm gonna dip in Cypress Umber, and I am taking the Morphe M433 brush, which is this blending brush, and I am gonna just tap it right over my crease, if you would. Okay, pack it on, and then we'll blend it in with another shade. Dab on the shade Rustic and Sienna just a little bit, just to blend things out, to blend it with the shade. Okay, and bring it right under your brows, like a brow bone. And you just blend, sis. Blend. Cypress Umber to define the eyes more. Tap the shade in, and again just fill it in. I'm taking whatever is left on the base brush, and I'm just gonna tap right here, just a little bit here. You don't need to use any more base or concealer. And with my fingers, I'm gonna dip in the shade Tempera and Fairy and pop it right. This look is so beautiful and just so simple. Okay, and for the inner corners, like, is it Photoshop? Is it real? I have no idea, but it is so bomb. You know, his highlighters. He actually has a highlighter of his own with a collab, I believe. Just to highlight those corners, baby. Maybe a little bit here. Ooh. Okay, now for the liner. Okay, now for the liner part. Ooh, I need to change the battery. Okay, I don't know if I was filming or not, but like the camera shut off. Okay, so as I said, I'm going with this NYX lip liner, and I'm just gonna apply it right here.
Hi, it's me, and this is me while editing this video. So I just wanted to say, like, or give you a few tips that I really should have done while actually doing this tutorial, but like I wasn't thinking at the moment. I wasn't paying attention, or I don't know. But let me tell you this. So what you will about to see is I was first applying lip liner. The point is, what I would have, you know, preferred to do is I would apply my P. Louise base, or what you would use like concealer or any other base, as a liner. Anything, any shape of a liner you would prefer, and then add on the shades you would want from any palette. Like probably just start from the darkest brown, and then light brown, and then burgundy, and then red, and then that is what I preferred to do. But like I don't know, man. I did not think of it. But what I prefer right now is this that I just told you. Like, I don't know why I thought of that in the first place. Anyway, sorry, continue the video. Bye.
Okay, now I'm just gonna tug a little bit because I have like a wrinkly lid. I'm just gonna go in with like this winged brush, and I'm just gonna tap on it. Cypress Umber, again, the one I use for my lid, and just to make it a little bit more dark. Now I'm going, this is liquid lip, and I'm slightly dipping a little bit on the back of my hands and popping it here. Can you see that? And for the middle part, we need like a more, you know, reddish shade. I'm gonna go in with lip liner, and can use whatever red shade you have. And I'm gonna apply it also up here. And I'm going again with the brush. I'm gonna dip in like that, just so I can blend it more. Blend it more, sis. I have not filmed for a while, and I am getting crazy. Now, the dark shade, you know, to make it ombre again. And then using the NYX liner again to do the winged liner. And also the last darkest shade. And dipping again in the shade Cypress Umber to make it more dark. Because yeah, girl wants a darker shade. There you have it. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna dip in the shade Cypress Umber. And with the shade Rustic, I'm gonna blend. For the waterline, I'm using just a nude pencil. Okay, so off camera, let me put on mascara, lashes, and I'll be right back to do the rest of the face, sis. The lighting was having a mid-life crisis, just as I am. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna use blush. I'm using the Bourbon Rock and ColourPop collab. And this is in the shade Stop It! That's a nice name. I love this shade for blush. She's ready for Valentine's, girl. Tip of my nose. I'm gonna set my face with a MAC Fix Plus, and before I get it done completely, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Biggie. You know, this is in the shade. How many carats? On top, I'm gonna use these. Also, he did the same with the lips, but I kind of want to go like light. But let's see. Ooh. These are my lips. I don't feel like going dark for my lips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do an ombre look, but instead of like from, you know, I'm gonna show you. Wait, I'm taking this MAC lipstick in the shade Kinky and applying it, just like dabbing it like for the inner part of my. Wait, that's not done. I'm gonna take the Buxom lip gloss, and this is in the shade Peach de Query. I don't know. And I am gonna. Yep, I kind of like it. And this is the final look, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. I love this look so much, and as I said, I have been eyeing this look for a while, and I said I want to do with it so simple, not too much colorful. Enjoyed it so far. I am loving this ombre kind of look. I'm gonna zoom you in, you know, to show you what I kind of did. Anyway, happy Valentine's Day, and if you are single on Valentine's Day, your girl is here for you. I'm here for you. You don't need no one. I'm here. Watch my video, grab some chocolate, and let's cry together. If you made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so anytime I upload, you get a notification from me, so you can be besties. I hope you enjoyed this video so much. Happy Valentine's Day, and I will see you in my next video.